Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi. So today we'll be learning how to make drapery fashion hijab. So it's usually two pieces. So I have 1.5 yards of fabric. So this is chiffon material. So you fold it in bias form. Can see? Can see? So you fold it like this. So ensure that you lay it very well. So this side you locate where you see 7 inches or 8 inches. So depending on what you want or what you are working with. So where you locate it, there you chalk as same. So don't let it to be too wide so that it will stay on the shoulder. You are going to place it on the shoulder. So after you shock it as seen, then you place your taper, you measure 36 inches. This 36 inches dimension in this tutorial is not constant. So this depends on the length of hijab you want, where you want it to reach on your body. So this place I measure 30 inches. So I measure 30 inches at the open mouth area. So I measure 36 at the folded side. This side 36 inches. Then I'll connect it to the 30 inches. So you can use your free hand and you can use a ruler. So I'm using straight ruler here. So you can use curved ruler. So you can use a hand to connect as seen. Just normal way of cutting A shape. May I 90 degree flare. So when I measure the down wideness I have here, so I measure 20 inches there. So this is just to guide you. So this side I have 36, this side 30 inches. 30 inches. So the wideness I have here is 20 inches. Okay. So after that, you will cut it out. So I'm going to cut this out and I will place it on the mini cut to make photocopy of it. So I want to have two pieces of this. So one for the front and one for the back. So I'll just place it on the remaining material to cut out this. So I need two of this, one for the front piece and one for the back piece, so you can see. So I want the drape to be both at the front and at the back, but if you want only the drape to be at the front only, so this is how you cut the back. So just cut out 8 inches on fold by 20 inches, so you can see. Then you will now shape the down part as seen. So this will be for the back piece. That means you don't need to make photocopy of the one that we cut earlier. So you don't want that drapey effect at the back, so it will be straight as seen. So this side just measure about 4 inches down and cut as seen, just for easy wearing, so it will make it easier for you to put it on. So put button at this area and it will be like this. So I can make tutorial on that. Is another style of drapery hijab. So but this particular one that want to learn now. So we want the drape to be at the front and at the back. That's the reason why we made photocopy of it. So make the front and the back piece to be the same. You understand? So this side I measure 1 inch from up. Both the front piece and the back piece are on each other. So after the 1 inch, I measure from that 1 inch, I measure 3 inches. So measure 3 inches down. So from 3 inches, measure 3 inches. So I measure 3 inches down. So after you measure 3 inches, you are going to notch where you chalk. So that will guide us when we are pleating it. So we are going to pleat both sides. So just notch. You'll be having 4 layers like that. So you notch, just a little notch, just notch where you chalk that 3 inches. So from up I measure 1 inch, and the remaining I measure 3 inches down, and I notch as seen. So you can see, so this side you can see the part that we notch. So you are going to pleat it. You pleat it as seen. So take it to the sewing machine now and pleat. So before you pleat, you can decide to fold this side. Just make small folding. Then after you make small folding, you now make a pleat at both sides as I show you. You can see. So I'll do that to both the front piece and the back piece. So this is for the hijab. I told you that it is 2-piece hijab that I want to make now. So the front piece is 21. So I measure 21 inches, and this side I have 24 inches. So you can just slant it as seen. You can make any shape you like. So on this side you can decide to shape the front. So depending on what you want. Here I measure 8 inches and I slanted it from the face opening. The first opening I measure 12 inches there. So just normal way of cutting hijab. So if you don't know how to make this, you can check my video on how to make this particular hijab. So you cut the cap from the leftover, cut the cap. So I usually use 4 inches by 8 inches. So this is the upper part. So make small folding. So after that, so I'll start splitting the side that we notch. So just make pleats as seen. You can see, you take it like this. So you make pleats. So what you do here, you can see the pleats that you make here. So you do it the same to the other side too. So after you pleat both sides, so you take the back piece too, you pleat both sides as seen. So the down part, you fold the down part just as you fold the upper part. So I'm placing the other side of the front piece. So after that, this part we make small fold, the down part we make small fold. All right. So I can overlock, then you fold once as you like. So this is the front and the back piece. So right side facing right side of the front piece facing the right side of the back piece. So the part that you pleat, so I'm going to sew it together, both the front piece and the back piece are same. You can see. So this side, right side facing right side. You see, you stitch. So you do the same to the other side too. So stitch the other side. Place the front piece on the back piece, then stitch. So remember, so in this tutorial, I will not show how you sew the hijab. So do that. So just normal way of sewing hijab. So I've stitched the other side. You can see the outcome. Remember to overlock, the very important, and iron. So this is the hijab. I've done that already, and you can see the drape. The second piece. You can see. You can use the hand to arrange it. So you can rock it like this, or you embellish the side this journey with chain, bead, or any trimmings of your choice. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.